So now let's get into the oils. How do we use the oils? Well, before we dive into the most popular oils, I want to explain how to use them. So let's just get right on here and start topically. And by the way, there is no aromatherapy training needed to do these. So first up is topically. You can apply them to your wrists, neck, back, feet. Just keep them out of your ears and eyes directly. If you do get oil in your eyes by accident, don't rinse it with water. Instead, just apply a fatty carrier oil around the area. And when you hear the term carrier oil, that's referring to could be coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, or sweet almond oil. And another thing to keep in mind too is that some oils are actually gentle enough to put directly on your skin without diluting with the carrier oils. But if you notice that it's getting hot or making your skin a little red, just throw some of that carrier oil on there and then it will go ahead and relieve it. For kids and elderly people, you want to dilute it more heavily in that case. So don't overcomplicate, just keep it simple. Another method of using your essential oils is aromatically as well. So another way to use it is you can crack open the bottle, breathe it in, 7 deep breaths through the belly. You can add it to your favorite diffuser, and you can put it in your palms, rub your hands together clockwise 7 times, cup it over your hands, over your nose, take a deep breath and enjoy. That's another method you can use the oils. Another way is internally. Now you can add a drop or more of Vitality oil into an empty vegetable capsule. The capsules are sold either on Amazon or in the stores. Or you can add it to a cup of tea or to your favorite beverage or glass of water. You can cook with them, you can bake with them. Try some lemon Vitality in your yogurt or a toothpick tip of oregano Vitality in your next batch of your spaghetti sauce. So good, these oils. So one thing to note is that citrus oils can break down the petrochemicals in the plastic. So it's easier to use stainless steel, glass, or ceramic when adding oils to your dishes or drinks. Just keep that in mind. Before we go any further, I want to make sure you know the differences between the Vitality oil, which is right here, the white label, and the regular oil, which is the solid color label. The Vitality oils are labeled for internal dietary use so they can be ingested. The color bottles are labeled for topical and diffusing as well. However, they're the same oil. The only difference is the color of the label. So it makes it easier for us to know which oils can be safely ingested. Okay? I just wanted to clarify that. Let's go into lavender. Now let's go into the oils. First one up is